What is going on, guys? This is Yix here, Magnet Crypto, and welcome back to another video. So I made a video, or there should be another video coming out today, where I talk about Bitcoin dominance and the potential trend that is going on there. In this video, I want to talk about altcoin dominance, and in particularly, well, the most notable chart that you look at when it comes to altcoin dominance is the ETH BTC chart, which in a way is the converse of the Bitcoin dominance chart, but I'm looking at ETH BTC in particular here. So in the Bitcoin dominance charts, you can see that Bitcoin is gaining ground and could potentially continue to gain ground. So as you can see here, I'm looking at the Bitcoin dominance chart on the monthly, and we are facing an area, or it's heading to an area of resistance around the 64% level. So if it is able to break past this, then we have around 65% and close to 75% as the next major levels that it will head towards. So switching over to ETH BTC, you can see it looks obviously in the converse manner, it looks like a similar thing is going on here. So ETH BTC has been dropping, or Ethereum has been dropping against Bitcoin for the last 2 months, this month of October and September as well, and it's facing what could potentially be a support area in this zone over here. So you've got the wick breaking down here, and you've also got the support level over here. If it does not find support there, then altcoin dominance or Ethereum could drop even further, potentially to the next level, which could be around this level over here. Now these metrics don't really make sense here, so it's no real point to actually talk about numbers, but you can see the zones over here. This was quite an important key level, and it was kind of resistance at this level as well. So if it breaks below this level, then it could potentially break below to that level over there. And that is the potential outcome that we could see. Now, if you actually look in terms of percentages, so it could be, you know, roughly a 10% drop, or it could go further to about 21%, 25% drop. You know, how it would look in real time is Ethereum and the rest of the altcoin market, because a lot of altcoins depend on Ethereum, they're ERC20 tokens. It would look like either they're going to drop in value by a substantial amount, and thus that value would, or that capital would transfer over to Bitcoin, or it would simply be a case of, you know, their values drop a little bit, and it just means more capital from the outside is going into Bitcoin. I'm leaning towards the first scenario, where the altcoins could drop a substantial amount of value, and that could go to Bitcoin. As I said in my video about Bitcoin dominance and looking at that chart, we are heading towards a lot of uncertainty on the world stage, with the likes of the presidential election. Potentially, if Biden gets elected, this could mean higher taxes and things of that nature, which most investors and the investment world does not like. So that could be a reason as to why more safety and security will be sought after, which is Bitcoin in this market. So it does look like that narrative could be in play, and thus that would mean a lot of altcoins would lose their value, and that would transfer over to Bitcoin. So that's a possibility. And how much of that value will drop it's obviously unknown, but you can see there's clear levels of support from here, and then the next major level would be around here. So we'll have to see, you know, how the market progresses. However, what would happen afterwards is, most times with crypto, there's normally a very quick recovery. So we're coming up to the end of the year, and Bitcoin is at a point in its cycle, in its 4-year cycle, where, you know, there's a good chance that it's going to finish strong. So potentially around 13k or above, finish above there. So we've still got November and December to go. So whatever happens in between that time, it could be a lot of uncertainty, a lot of volatility. especially for the altcoin market. But we'll have to see. That's what the charts are painting at the moment. But the positive sign that I am seeing is that, since this massive drop in altcoin dominance, we found the bottom. Since then, we've made a high and another high. Now, again, this is not proper technical analysis because we're not looking at price data. However, there are still patterns nonetheless. So the fact that we formed a higher high and another high, and we've got a low over here as well, as long as we form another higher low, that is a bullish indication for the medium/long term. So as long as we don't go back all the way back down to here and we finish, maybe this area over here would be perfect, would be a bullish signal. So we'll have to see as we go forward. That's all I want to say in this video. We have two kind of situations going on here. We have Bitcoin looking like it's going to gain more dominance, and we have altcoins looking like it's going to lose some more dominance. So this could mean, as I've mentioned, altcoins are going to go down somewhat, and Bitcoin will gain more market share. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that Bitcoin is going to increase in price a lot. It could just mean that, as I said, one possibility could be money flowing into crypto, into Bitcoin from the outside, and thus altcoins would not lose a lot of value in that situation. But let's see what happens as time progresses. So that'll be all for this video. Hope you got some value from that, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.